baby girl. How are you? Hmm. Good baby. Good baby girl. Yes, you're a baby girl.